Hey everyone, welcome to this video. If you want to know how to change primary email address in Facebook account, then this video is for you. In today's video, I will show you how to change primary email address in Facebook account. Just open your Facebook app and just tap on this little profile icon here in the top right corner. Now scroll down and just tap on this settings and privacy. Now just again tap on this settings. Now tap on this password and security. Now you can see there is an option personal details here. Just tap on this. Now you can see the contact information. Basically this is your primary email address for your account. Just tap here. Tap on this, add a new contact. So you will get two options to add a mobile number and email. So we are obviously going to add our email, so just add email and just write your new email address here. Now if your Facebook and Instagram is in linked, then you will get an option to choose for which account you want to change the email address. Check mark here and just tap on this next, and you will get a code in your email address, in your new email address. Just you have to write that email code to this for confirmation. After that, just tap on this next and it will change your email address for your Facebook account. Now just get back to this page and just tap on this here. You can see there is a two email address which we added earlier and this was before. So if you want to keep only one for your primary email address, then you have to just delete this one. Just tap on this previous one. Now tap on this delete email, right? And after that just tap on delete. So I'm not going to do that. After that, the new email address will be your primary email address. So basically this is how you can easily change your primary email address for Facebook. If you think this video was helpful, please make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.